today we will show you how to open the MSI Vector GP7713V. To remove the bottom panel, you need to undo 13 Phillips head screws. You need to start prying the panel with a plastic tool from the back and then from the sides. Then, you need to push the plate slightly from the back in order to remove it safely without breaking something.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
The cooling solution looks massive. And since we are fans of the fans, we can spot 2 cooling fans as well. It has 5 large heat pipes in total. The 2 big ones are shared between the CPU and the GPU, and there is a dedicated heat pipe for each of them. The smallest heat pipe is for cooling the VRMs and the GPU memory. The battery is a 65 watt-hour unit. If you want to remove it, you have to undo 5 Phillips head screws, and then unplug the battery connector. It lasts around 6 hours and 40 minutes of web browsing, or 7 hours and 9 minutes of video playback. The upgrade options are definitely on the bright side: 2 RAM SODIMMs for up to 64 GB of DDR5 5200 MHz memory. For storage, you can rely on 2 M.2 PCIe X4 slots compatible with Gen 4 SSDs. There is a metal shroud that protects the RAM modules, and the NVMe has 2 cooling pads on its bottom.